really good friend a really long time ago. So if you're watching this, thank you again, and hope you're doing well. Alright. Good morning, guys. Oh dang, it's pretty cloudy today. Today's the day that me and Andrew are gonna go to Red Rock and ride around there. It's kind of cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't. No, it's not gonna rain though. So today's Thursday. I'm actually gonna skip class because of this, because Andrew wanted to go riding and he's moving next week. Also, look at my steez right now. Hold on, let me put this down. This jacket was given to me by a really good friend a really long time ago, and I never wore it. So if you're watching this, thank you again, and hope you're doing well. Alright. I can't believe you're gone next week, dude.
I know, dude.
That's crazy. Alright guys, so I'm like halfway done installing my fairings. This red and gold looks so good together. So the guy that had this bike before me, I don't know if he spray painted the bike green, because you see like these green oversprays on the bike. He even changed the chain to green, so it's kind of whatever. So I'll eventually change the chain. Finally finish installing my fairings. So this is how it looks. I don't know how good it looks on the GoPro, but I'll post up some pictures. Got the gold bolts that go with the red. It's more of like a maroon, if anything, but yeah, I'll post up some pictures so you can see it better.